In this demo, we showcase how the Caller Verify Universal Connector extends secure identity verification to any web-based interaction, including chat platforms like Slack. Whether it's an internal employee request or a customer interaction, identity must be verified before any sensitive action is taken. In this scenario, Dade Murphy needs access to an HR application and reaches out to the service desk via Slack.
Hey Mike, I need access to the new HR application.
Sure thing, I just need to verify you first. I'll send you a verification to your mobile device.
Okay.
Mike opens Universal Connector from the browser toolbar. Universal Connector automatically retrieves the contact's name from the open chat and searches for the account. Then clicks the Action button and selects Verify Caller from the pop-up menu.
Dade, you should be receiving a push notification from Okta on your phone. Please confirm.
Dade receives the Okta Verify push on his mobile device and uses biometric Face ID to unlock his mobile device and approve the push notification. The Universal Connector displays a successful verification result. Once the verification has been completed, the Universal Connector in-page pop-up is automatically updated with the verification results. Mike copies the verification result into the Slack chat, creating a clear audit trail.
Dade, you've been successfully verified.
Great, that was easy.
Mike is now confident that Dade is who he says he is and can add the required group membership to Dade's account. Want to learn more about Caller Verify? Book a demo with us today at callerverify.com.